Hello guys, in this video we are going to solve LeetCode problem 105, which is construct binary tree from preorder and inorder traversal. So given two integer arrays preorder and inorder, where preorder is the preorder traversal of a binary tree and inorder is the inorder traversal of the same tree. So we need to construct and return the binary tree. So, for example, this is a binary tree, and we are given only pre-order and in order. Okay, this is basically a list of values. So we need to construct the binary tree. So first we need to identify the root. So to identify the root of the binary tree, it is simple because in pre-order we always start with root. So 3 is the root. So we are going to solve this problem recursively. So suppose we found the root, which is the first element of the pre-order list. Then what we are going to do, we are going to find the left and right. So left and right will be, so first then we need to identify the index of 3 in this array. So in this array the index of 3 is this, basically it's 1. So then we construct root dot left, which is basically the left side of this 3, and root dot right, which is basically the right side of this tree. So in the similar fashion, we will solve this problem recursively. So suppose if there is only one node, so in pre-order there is only one element. In order there is only one element. We can simply return this, right? So let's solve this problem. We can also check if suppose if there is no pre-order or in order present, we can return none. If not pre-order or not in order, we can simply return none. Now let's find the root. So root will be, so this is our tree node. So pre-order, first value of pre-order. Now let's find the index of this first value, which is m is equals to in order dot index of pre-order 0. Now root dot left is equals to self dot build tree. So we need to pass pre-order and in order, correct? So pre-order we will pass because first value is already consumed. So we will ignore the first value. So 1 to m. In order will be, so m is the value which we have used in the root. So in order we can say colon m like this. So here it will be 1 colon m plus 1. Let's copy this and paste root dot right is equals to, it will start from m plus 1 to the end, and in order will also start from m plus 1 to the end of the list. At the end return root. So we are basically using recursion to build the left subtree and right subtree, and at the end we are basically returning the root of the tree. So let's run the code. So all the test cases are passed. Okay, let's submit the code. So submission is successful. Our code is accepted and it's working fine. Okay, so the time complexity of this algorithm is basically we are iterating over this array. So it's order of n because we are simply constructing the tree, right? So to construct the tree, we have to iterate over these two arrays. And if let's say there are n elements in a pre-order list, then the time complexity will be order of n. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.